Hello there, welcome to the AS Maths Pure June 2023 paper. Here we're on question 5. The finite region R, shown shaded in figure 2, is bounded by the curve with the equation y equals 4x squared plus 3, the y-axis, and the line with the equation y equals 23. Show that the exact area of R is k root 5, where k is a rational constant to be found. So if we're going to be using integration is going to calculate us this region I'm going to call S. And what I'll also need to know is what is the value of x when we get 23 as the output. So I'm going to start there. 4x squared plus 3 equals 23. Subtract the 23 from both sides and we get, so subtract 3 from both sides, you get 20. Divide by 4 and you get 5, and x must therefore be root 5. So when I do my integration with boundaries, I know that x needs to be root 5. Okay, so let's now calculate the region S. To calculate the region S, we're going to be doing some integration between x equals root 5 down to 0 of the function 4x squared plus 3 dx. Okay, let's use integration then. So for integration, you increase the power by 1, so 2 becomes 3, and then you divide by that number 3, so it's 4/3 x cubed. And then if it's just a number, to integrate it, you just add an x on the end, or multiply an x on the end, between the boundaries of root 5 and 0. Okay, let's substitute root 5 into this equation nice and carefully. I'm going to do that on my calculator. Apologies, you can't see me doing that. 4/3 times root 5 cubed, and that gives me 20/3 times root 5, and then we're going to add root 5 substituting in, so that's going to be 3 root 5, and then we take away 4/3 times 0 cubed, which is just 0, and 3 times 0, which is 0. So there we are, that's the area for S. Now we're going to work out the whole area. And to work out the whole area, it's going to be base times height, so that's going to be 23 times root 5. And then to work out R finally, we're going to do the whole /area, subtract the region S, so 23 root 5 minus 20/3 root 5, and take away the 3 root 5. Okay, let's just type that into the calculator. Bear with me. 20 minus 20/3 minus 3. All those multiplied by root 5. And the answer is 40/3 root 5. And there we are. That's the answer to this question here. So therefore, K is 40/3. So there we are, that's the answer to this question here, question 5. That's worth 5 marks. Let's now move on to question 6.